All right, here's what we're doing today. I have this JL Audio 13W7 AE Anniversary Edition. I didn't think these were old enough to need foam, but as you can see, this one needs foam. There was a repair attempt made, didn't hold. We're gonna get a new foam on this thing. I've already had it soaking with some goof off. Hopefully remove some of this adhesive, loosen it up a little bit. I'll give it one more little layer of it. But this should loosen up the adhesive pretty well, so we can get the old surround off, the old material off. If you remember in a previous W7 video, the surround is sandwiched between the cone and the dust cap. Unlike on the W6s, where it goes cone, dust cap, then surround on top. This one is cone, surround, dust cap on top. So, a bit more complicated, but good sub nonetheless. So we're gonna get to tearing this thing apart. I don't know if you can see down in there, but there's globs of just shitty glue around this thing. So it looks like it's even had a recone before, once already. All right, so this will be fun. Trying to get all this old shitty adhesive off that people don't know how to use the right adhesive. Whatever. All right. I'm trying not to torque the cone very much because I don't want to obviously damage the coil. I do need to get this old dust cap off very gently. Okay, so we're good on the edge here. There is one spot in the middle that is adhered, so we're gonna get some heat on it and try and pry it up very carefully. You know what, before we go any further, I'm gonna make some supports to keep the cone up so I'm less likely to damage the coil. Just some old tongue depressors, popsicle sticks, whatever, and we're gonna prop it up a little bit. There's a little bit of spider sag on this sub. Didn't think it was that old. All right. Okay, I'm happy with that. Makes me a little more comfortable. There we go. Got it. It was rebuilt September 2nd, 2015. It was either rebuilt or built. There it is. Whatever this shit glue is, it doesn't want to come off. We're gonna keep working on it, but damn it. So this, pause. This is actually working pretty well. Just getting some heat on it and pulling off this old adhesive. That is shitty adhesive, and whoever did it is a tard. Cool, got all that garbage off. Okay, so the everything's cleaned up. Cone is cleaned up. The dust cap is clean. Mounting surface for the dust cap is clean. All that good stuff. So I also was able to kind of fix the spider. It was sagging a little bit. Had a little, dip to it. So I was able to kind of bring that back up a little bit so that the surround will fit onto the dust cap without me having to like constantly push down and work at it for half an hour. So it's good. It's raised up. Surround's good. I'm gonna put the ring on here and then work on. Actually, I'm gonna put the adhesive here first, then put this on, then put the ring on. So here we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now we're gonna get the surround on. All right, here we go. Okay, cool. Let that set for like, I don't know, 20 minutes. Then we can get the dust cap on. Cool. All right, we'll let that sit for a while and then we'll worry about the dust cap. All right, home stretch. We're gonna get the dust cap on. Let me find it first. Okay. Got my glue, dust cap, and a little bit of weight to put on the dust cap as the glue is setting. Put one in the middle, one big old glob. All right. All right, and then nice bead around the edge. All right. And then we line the logo up with one of the terminal cups, but before we do that, we're gonna make a handle. Tape handle. All right, here we go. Doesn't matter if it's not perfectly centered, because we're gonna move it around anyway to spread the glue out. A couple more tape handles. Cool, man. It's in the groove all the way around, nice and even. Love it. Man, that looks good. Okay. A little bit of glue squeeze out. It's fine. I'll clean it up later. Don't really care that much. I can do it now. We're gonna put a little weight, make sure the glue in the middle sets. And that's it. We're all done. Let this dry overnight. Should be good to go back in the box and back to the client. So cool. All right, well that's it, guys. Yeah, that's a new foam on a 13 W7 anniversary edition JL sub. Not really any different than any of your other W7s. This is just a 13 and an anniversary edition. So that's it. We're all done. Take her easy.